Before I'm going to start this video, let me just put my toner on real quick. Now that I am done with my skincare, let me start this video by telling you a small quick disclaimer. Anything that I am going to tell you in this video are all based on my experience and thoughts. First week of June, I officially finished high school, and last week I started inquiring in certain colleges here in Davao City together with my dad. That's why in this video we're going to talk about the topic called finding college. Yes. I'm going to share one dilemma and 3 realizations together with my experience while we are inquiring. Hopefully, you can learn lesson from. Before we dive into the experiences I got while we were inquiring, let me give you some context why it is important for me to make this video. So we are talking about colleges, which includes some courses. So some people knew already because I'm very vocal. I wanted to pursue BS in psychology. So my career goal is to become a psychiatric. That's why I wanted to pursue BS in psychology. The main purpose why I started vlogging, I wanted to document somehow my experiences before I become a psychiatrist. This is my idea kayo in the future how to become a psychiatrist. So I am going to pursue a Bachelor's of Science in Psychology in college. So we have certain factors that we are trying to find. First, yung distance. Second, yung tuition fee or yung babayaran mo. And then, yung tatlong na quality na hinahanap ko sa college school is kung may hospital ba sila. Yes, dapat may hospital sila. And then fourth is yung pinaka-importante, meron ba silang course ng psychology? Importante silang 4 para pumayag yung papa ko. Okay, kasi siya yung magpapaaral sa akin, so kailangan pasok yung 4. Now, that is the 4 qualities. Go to the experience. Let's go to the experience that I got while we were inquiring in certain colleges here in Davao City. Last week, we have inquired 4 different colleges. So, I'm not gonna name them. So, instead, I'm going to number it. So, I'm gonna call the first college as college number 1. So, college number 1, lapit siya sa bahay namin, which is good. Affordable siya. Like, compare sa mga ibang school na na-inquire namin, this one is the most affordable. Wala siyang hospital. Unfortunately, wala siyang psychology. So, we have to say goodbye to college number 1. Let's go for college number 2. Si college number 2, ito yung gusto ko. Siya yung favorite ko. Ito yung dream school ko. Napakataas ng standard nila. And right off the bat, nagulat kami, Char. Nagulat ako. Ang ganda ng school. So, distance, napakalayo. If mag-commute ako, I think I need, magtutu rides ako. So, sasakay ko ng 2 different jeepneys. So, yung pamasahe parang, magastos. Yung tuition fee, mahal. Mahal siya. Kasi pagkapasok ko pa lang parang air condition lahat ng room nila. May hospital sila. Nice. Meron silang psychology. So since ito nga yung gusto ko na school, we tried. So nag-try akong mag-entrance exam. And entrance exam pa lang guys. As in, bestie, 400. Yung shock. Yung shock sa mukha ng tatay ko, like, my dad was so shocked. Okay, so here's the deal. Kahapon, I received the verdict, sorry. I received the result and unfortunately, hindi ako nakapasa sa psychology and sa nursing. So, my dad and I, we have a conversation yesterday and we decided to say goodbye. So, wala namang mali if I would took a different course. I would willingly do that kasi gusto ko talaga sa school na yun. The problem is the tuition fee. Ang mahal na nga. So, mahal yung tuition fee and how much more sa miscellaneous and other payments na gagawin, diba? And I have a sister, a younger sister, who will going to college the next following year. Ayun, I had said goodbye to the school. Bye-bye school! College number 3. So, si college number 3, wala talaga akong plano. Pumasok lang kami doon para magtanong. Like, alam niyo yun, like, tingin-tingin lang. College number 4. So, si college number 4, ito yung nabet ng tatay ko. I'm not sure. Hindi kasi siya maganda sa labas. So, I think we were going there again. Kasi magte-take ako ng entrance exam nila. And I think 100. Their entrance exam is 100. 300 less. Mas less siya compared kay college number 2. And not bad kasi this one, hindi siya masyadong hassle. Kasi one ride lang and then one ride din pa uwi. So, hindi siya tulad nung kay college number 2 na I think kaapat ako magsakay ng jeep. Okay lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong malayo sa amin. Yung tuition fee, mas mura siya compare kay college number 2. I'm pretty sure siguro kasi hindi air conditioner pero we cannot say. Hindi pa ako nakapasok sa loob. So, I'm gonna check it out. Bakit mas mura sila?